Hello, my name is Matt Bergman. I teach the band workshop class. And in addition to the band workshop, I teach lower school band. I manage the Performing Arts Center. This year I'll be teaching part of the upper school jazz band and fundamentals of music theory. So I guess the question is, what is band workshop and how do we get the most out of that class? So in band workshop, it's for new students who have not played a band instrument yet. And we want to get them caught up and work with them at their pace to get caught up with students who may have been playing an instrument for 2 or 3 years already. So to do this, we have the class during their flex period once a week, and we work on stuff that's going to be beginning band stuff in a way that we can help catch them up, and also do assignments in that class that are going to be more geared to the level they're at, which is new to instruments. So instead of doing Mr. Fontaine's assignments at the beginning of the year that might be a little bit harder for their band class, they'll do some of the easier things. So they'll do stuff out at the beginning of the book. There'll be 2 or 3 things a week, very simple. And it's a once a week class to help catch them up, and it's kind of overall summarizing it. So feel free to reach out to me anytime. My extension at the school is 117. If you want to call, feel free. Just because of the nature I am in the pack, which is behind me. Sometimes there's classes in here, sometimes there's events. So just events, not big events, but events as in, we had a college visit on Zoom the other day. So anything you want to reach out to me, we can schedule a phone call would be the safest option. So feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks.